right, welcome everybody. Kinetic Carl here in his super secret Kinetic Lab of Wonders. Got the Manco Stinger two-seater go-kart project a little further along. I dug through my electrical hoard and I found the kill switch I was remembering I had. It's cool because it has a little rubber cap button. Just push it to kill the engine. Added some stranded green wire. Tied it into the original kill switch, so they're both still there. The original kill switch and now my kill switch at the dash. Let's see if it works. Let's see, got the fuel on and choke is on. Okay, here we go. Let's try. It's usually a 2-pole motor for starting. Okay. Got her in. Oops. Let's try that again. Maybe the choke should be turned off, I guess. Here, it's a warm enough day. Let's try no choke. Probably didn't need to choke it. But anyhow, let's see if my kill button. Nice. The kill button works, and I'm gonna just assume the one on the motor is still working because I didn't change it. I just added a switch to the wiring rather than remove. So here we'll turn the gas off, and the choke's already off. It's funny how they're when they're both off, they don't line up. But anyhow, Kinetic Carl here in a super secret Kinetic Lab of Wonders. Getting frustrated because that $2 sprocket I got the other day at Arcata Salvage, turns out it's a 30 pitch, and the new clutch and sprocket that I got donated, turns out that is a 35 pitch. It's the one made for this motor, but it's the wrong pitch. The number of teeth is a 35, which means they're between the centers. I think that means it's 3/8 of an inch from center of pin to center of pin, or from each link in the chain from pin to pin is 35. That's another way to look at it. But anyhow, 350 thousandths. So here we are. It's ever so close. It fits me, albeit my knees are on either side of the steering wheel. But there you have Kinetic Carl and the super secret Kinetic Lab of Wonders, pushing that Manco Stinger project along, just waiting on a sprocket. And then we'll pop that wheel off and change sprockets, and then we'll go for the test ride.